Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy, creator of Nerzy SEO Agency. If you're new to SEO or just need a refresher, this video is definitely going to help. Today we're going to be talking about long tail keywords, but before we get into that, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and make sure that you hit that little bell so you can get all the notifications every time I post a brand new video. So when I say SEO, what does that mean? SEO stands for search engine optimization. And in basic terms, it's how we get a website to rank at the top of the Google search for specific keywords. When that happens, a website will get traffic and, of course, sales. As you can imagine, it's really important for a website to rank in the search results. But how would one start that process? First, we need to look at keywords. Keywords tell a search engine like Google or Yahoo or Bing what your page is all about. There are literally billions of keywords out there, and more are added every single day. As trends change and as new products are created, new keywords are also created as well. Now, what's the secret to all of this? Choosing a keyword that is relevant to your content or your product and making sure that they are not in direct competition with big box stores is how you get to the top of the Google search results. Now, there's a lot of things that go into that, like, your titles and making sure that you have great images and having all the on-page SEO done. But in the basic sense, and when we really strip everything down, it really comes down to the keywords that you choose, because if you pick the wrong keywords, the wrong customers are going to come to your page and they're not going to buy. So we want to make sure that we have the right keywords. So keywords is how we tell a search engine what your page is about every time that they're crawled by Google. So now, what is a long tail keyword? A long tail keyword is a keyword phrase that has at least 2 to 3 words in the phrase itself. Most short tail keywords are going to be 1 to 2 words, and most long tail keywords are going to be 3 or more. So that is the difference. There's just more words in them. So instead of candle, you have fall or spring candle, or you could have pumpkin spice candle instead of just candle. Candle would be a short tail, pumpkin spice candle would be a long tail keyword. So now let's take a real life example of how one would go about this search. Recently, my coffee maker broke. I knew I needed a new one, but I wasn't sure which one to go with. It's been a long time since I've shopped for a coffee maker. So I opened up Google and I was immediately assaulted with Amazon, Walmart, and Wayfair links. Those are what we call the big box stores, and we don't want to be in direct competition with them. I knew I needed to narrow that search down, and I finally figured out what I wanted after browsing a little bit. I saw this 2-in-1 coffee maker that makes a coffee pot, but on the other side, it also brews K-cups, which is perfect for me and my husband because he loves the big pots of coffee that he can drink all day. I just like coffee flavored creamer, so the K-cups it is for me. So I pulled up Google again, and this time I searched for 2-in-1 coffee maker, which would be a long tail keyword. I also searched coffee maker pot K-cups and got the same type of results. Now I knew exactly what I wanted, so I was able to narrow that search down. I found all the smaller shops that were selling the same coffee maker that I saw and the one that I needed. We have 2 types of keywords here, coffee maker and 2-in-1 coffee maker. Coffee maker is obviously the short tail keyword because we had so many results for that. 2-in-1 coffee maker gave me the targeted, narrow product that I wanted. So guess which one of these is searched millions of times a day? Of course, it's coffee maker. So it would be nearly impossible for a smaller shop to rank for a phrase like that because the big box stores have that phrase with all of their ads. Now, the keyword phrase 2-in-1 coffee maker, however, is searched much less. At just 880 searches a month, it's the perfect keyword phrase for a small shop. The difference is in the search volume. Coffee maker, get ready, is searched 100,000 times a month. That is a lot of searches. And the only way to rank for something like that is if you have the ad budget of Jeff Bezos. So, long tail keywords are more targeted, they're more narrow, and here's the key. Not only are they easier to rank for, especially if you want to get on page 1 of Google. But those targeted keyword phrases are the ones that customers with money in hand, ready to buy, who know what they want like me, are going to search for. Browsers typically look for the long or the short tail keywords. When I was browsing for coffee makers, I searched coffee maker. I didn't know what kind I wanted, so it helped me browse all the options, then narrow it down. So using short tail keywords, it's really hard to rank, not only just to rank for, but it's really hard because a lot of those customers are just browsing. We want to use the long tail keywords because those customers know exactly what they're looking for and they're ready to purchase. All right, so I hope that helps you guys understand long tail keywords. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below. I will also leave a link to my SEO course where I will teach you step-by-step how to search for keywords, implement SEO on your website, and I'll even show you a service where we will do it all for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy SEO, and I will see you in the next one.